Hi everyone. So welcome again to the next session of shortcut series. Today also we will do 3 questions, cat questions, right, with some tricks or jugaad. Okay. So let's start. This is my brief introduction. Moving on to first question. You can give it a try. It's a cat 08 question. All right. Pause the video, solve it and come back. All right. So I hope you have solved it. Now let's start solving it. Okay. Now the question is 3 consecutive positive integers are raised to first, second and third powers respectively and then added, right. The sum so obtained is a perfect square whose square root equals to the total of the 3 original integers. Which of the following best describes the minimum, say m, of these 3 integers? Okay. So basically we have 3 consecutive integers. So if I solve it using proper formula and all, so we can assume the numbers are, let's say, a minus 1, a and a plus 1, right. Now this raised to the power 1, this raised to the power 2, this raised to the power 3, and then it is added, and this sum is actually square of the summation of these 3 numbers. So if you add these 3 numbers, a minus 1, a and a plus 1, it will give you 3a. So basically 3a whole square. That is the question saying, right. First, second and third power we have raised, and the sum so obtained is a perfect square whose square root equals to the total, that means sum of the 3 numbers, right. So you can see this. Now when you start solving it, it will give you a cubic equation, then you try to solve it using factor theorem, correct. But if you look at the options and the numbers logic, right, think at the max we have done a cube of a number, correct, square and then cube, but the summation is only the square of the sum of the 3 numbers. Now think on this, that the number cannot be much higher, right. Number should be closer to 1, 2, 3, 4, ऐसा कुछ होगा, isn't it? Otherwise सोचो, अगर if I have taken let's say 10, 11, 12, right, okay, 3 numbers अगर मैंने लिए, तो 12 का cube is quite high, but उनका sum 10, 11, 12 का, आपसे सोचो 10, 11 and 12 अगर मैं ले लेता 3 numbers, तो 12 का क्यूब तो बन जाता 1732, है ना, 1728, सॉरी, राइट. अब लेकिन तीनों का सम कितना आएगा 33, और 33 का स्क्वायर इज लेस देन दैट, है ना, मच लेस देन दैट. सो ऑब्वियसली नंबर बड़े नहीं हो सकते, है ना, नंबर छोटे ही होंगे. तो छोटे नंबर पे चेक कर लेते हैं व्हाई टू सॉल्व दिस, राइट. स्मॉलेस्ट 3 नंबर्स कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर्स आर व्हाट, 1, 2, 3, 1 की पावर 1 की, 2 का स्क्वायर किया, 3 का क्यूब किया और ऐड किया, इनको ऐड करके आपका आ जाएगा 32. पहली बात तो ये स्क्वायर होना चाहिए, दैट्स नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, तो रूल्ड आउट. सेकंड इज 2, 3, 4, 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3 square is 9, 4 cube is 64, ऐड करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 75, नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. टेक 3, 4, 5, 3 raised to power 1, 3, 4 square 16, 5 cube is 125. When you add this, you will get 19 plus this is 144. किसका स्क्वायर है, 12 का स्क्वायर है. And when you add these 3 numbers, it gives you 12 only. So condition satisfied, right? First number is power 1, second is power 2, third is power 3. When you add it, it will give you a perfect square whose square root is the sum of the numbers. So obviously these 3 are the numbers, right? So the smallest number is 3. So that's your answer. M is equal to 3. Clear? So in which range it is there? Answer is 1. between 1 and 3. Clear है? All right, let's move on. Next, again a cat 08 question. Consider a right circular cone of base radius 4 and height 10 centimeter. A cylinder is to be placed inside the cone with one of the flat surfaces resting on the base of the cone. Find the largest possible total surface area of this cylinder. So, we have a cone and we need to put a cylinder in it, right? Okay, something like this. So, we need to maximize the total surface area of this. So, obviously we need similarity here, है ना? इसको हम join करेंगे, right? Let's say the radius is r. Okay, this radius is already given to me 4 and height is given to me as 10. Correct. तो अब इसका रेडियस हमने r मान लिया, हाइट h मान लेते हैं, तो it will give you 10 minus h. So, first I will use similarity, this upon this is equal to r upon 4, and then using that we need to maximize the total surface area, that is 2 pi r h plus r, right. So, obviously I need to use either maxima minima or derivative or quadratic logic, right. Anything can be done, but the question is actually tricky, correct. But how can we solve this using proper Jugaad, right? Now, these are the actual options, right? The options are very far in terms of values if you see, okay. See, just understand this, right? This is a cylinder, right? Now, cylinder can be of any radius and any height inside this, correct. Suppose if I assume that even if I made a cylinder with negligible height, हाइट को मैं ऑलमोस्ट 0 कर दूं अगर, तो वो सिलेंडर ऐसा कुछ होगा ना कि रेडियस विल बी ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर टू द रेडियस ऑफ द बेस, है ना. मैं ऐसा कुछ बोल रहा हूं कि एक बहुत ही नेग्लिजिबल हाइट का आपने सिलेंडर बना दिया, ऑलमोस्ट h टेंड्स टू 0, करेक्ट. तो उसकी रेडियस तो इसके बराबर 4 ही हो जाएगी ना. तो ये भी एक सिलेंडर बन ही सकता है ना. अगर मैं इसका टोटल सरफेस एरिया निकालूं तो कितना आ जाएगा, ऊपर वाले का पाई आर स्क्वायर 16 पाई, नीचे वाले का 16 पाई 32 पाई. पॉइंट है कि एक सिलेंडर तो मैं ऐसा बना ही पा रहा हूं जिसकी टोटल सरफेस एरिया 32 पाई आ रहा है, उससे थोड़ा सा बड़ा ही आएगा, है ना, बिकॉज हमने नेग्लिजिबल हाइट लिया, उसको हमने कैलकुलेट नहीं किया एज ऑफ नाउ. नाउ माई आंसर कैन नॉट बी लेस देन दिस. इससे कम तो आंसर नहीं हो सकता ना, क्योंकि ये तो मुझे मिल ही रहा है. आई एम गेटिंग दिस सिलेंडर, राइट. नाउ चेक द ऑप्शंस. 100 पाई अपॉन 3, राइट, 33.3 इससे बड़ा है, कुड बी माई आंसर. 80 पाई बाय 3 इज लेस देन दिस, है ना, ruled out. 120 upon 7 again less than this, ruled out. 130 upon 9 less than this, ruled out. 110 upon 7 less than this, ruled out. एक ही ऑप्शन है, ऑप्शन ने हेल्प की, राइट. अब सी, अगर ऑप्शंस आपको 2 मिल जाएंगे उसके ऊपर तो ऑब्वियसली यू नीड टू सॉल्व, उसका तो कोई जुगाड़ है नहीं, है ना, सॉल्व तो करना ही पड़ेगा. बट एक्चुअल एग्जाम्स में यही ऑप्शंस थे, तो आई मीन it might be possible that you can solve it using the logic, right. एक बार देख लिया करो ऑप्शंस, बहुत क्लोज नहीं है तो you can think on the extreme. What is the logic we have used? That we simply scratched this. I mean, हमने एक ऐसा सिलेंडर एज्यूम कर लिया जिसकी हाइट नेग्लिजिबल थी. I can do the reverse also. मैं हाइट ही हाइट मान लेता हूँ और रेडियस उसके नेग्लिजिबल करता हूँ, बट उससे शायद मैं कैलकुलेट नहीं कर पाऊंगा टोटल सर्फेस एरिया, है ना. दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम, इसलिए हमने ये किया. गॉट द लॉजिक. और क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 सरफेस तो आपको मिल ही रहे हैं, तो 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर तो मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा, डबल ऑफ दैट, है ना. 32 पाई से ऊपर एक ही ऑप्शन था एंड दैट्स माय आंसर. 2 होते तो फिर सॉल्व करते बैठ के, करेक्ट. चलिए Moving to third question. Give it a try. It's cat 17. Okay. Although the question is easy, but I just need to give you a shortcut for this, the logical shortcut, not the Jugaad one. Okay. All right, let's start. If a seller gives a discount of 15% on retail price, she still makes a profit of 2%. Right. Which of the following ensures that she makes a profit of 20%? Okay. So logic क्या बोल रहा है? We have a discount of 15%. I need to make a profit of 2%. We can solve this using multiple methods, right? Which we have already done in the class. है ना? First method can be assume cost price, then using profit percent you can find the selling price, and then discount on the mark price, that is 0.85 of mark price should be equal to that selling price 102, and you can find the markup price in that case, and then find the logic, right? Or you can use multiplying factor, right? That if discount is 15%, that means selling price is equal to 0.8 of mark price, 85 of mark price, and selling price is also equal to, using 2% profit, 1.02 of cost price. Using this also we can use the relation between mark price and cost price, and that gives you the markup percentage, right? This is another logic on this. Now I am giving you the other logic, right? As of now this is the best, correct? Now think on this. I am making a discount of 15%. तो इसको ऐसे समझो, if the price was 100, because of discount it will become 85, correct? But I need to make 2% profit. It means I need to make it 102. I repeat, because of discount it becomes 85, but I need it to be 102. मुझे ये 102 करना था, लेकिन हो गया 85. So markup should be like this, that 85 will become 102. मार्कअप ऐसा होना चाहिए कि 85 102 बन जाए. तो मुझे क्या करना है? 17 इंक्रीज करना है over 85 into 100, that is 20%. That's your markup. Clear? Right? So 20% markup उसने किया होगा. अब क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा था? Which of the following ensures that she makes a profit of 20%? तो जब 20% मार्कअप उसने ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है, तो अगर मैं रिटेल प्राइस पर ही सेल करूंगा तो आई विल हैव 20% प्रॉफिट ना. 20% मार्कअप मीन्स व्हाट? कॉस्ट प्राइस को 20% इंक्रीज किया. वी हैव इंक्रीज्ड कॉस्ट प्राइस विद 20% टू मेक द रिटेल प्राइस. आई मीन कॉस्ट प्राइस सपोज 100 होता तो इट विल बिकम मार्क प्राइस शुड बी और रिटेल प्राइस शुड बी 120, राइट? तो रिटेल प्राइस पे सेल करेंगे, सो द प्रॉफिट विल बी 20% स्ट्रेट अवे. बट दिस लॉजिक इज क्लियर, आई होप. Right, let me give you another example. Suppose discount was 20%. I need to make profit of 30%. It simply means it became 80 because of discount, but I need to make it 130. So markup should be 50 over 80 into 100. That's it. I hope the logic is clear. All right, chaliye, thank you very much. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.